Are you tired of hiding your smile? Have you ever wondered how your oral health impacts your mental well-being? Well, let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Butts, a doctor of dental surgery and owner of Camp Creek Dental in Atlanta, Georgia. My goal is to give you the tools you need to optimize your health so you can take control of your own well-being. Your health is your wealth, and you are responsible for that, all right? Now, today, I want to dive into a topic that often gets overlooked, how your oral health is so intricately connected to your mental health, all right? So we're just talking about the importance of teeth. Your natural smile, your natural teeth are incredibly valuable. Taking care of them should always be a priority, and that is by flossing and brushing twice a day, every day, okay? And if you wanna go crazy, go nuts with it, then you can floss after lunch, before dinner, and really enjoy the freshness of your dinner, okay? Well, healthy teeth do more than just help you chew. They play a vital role in your overall well-being. They affect how you speak, how you eat, even how you feel about yourself. When your teeth are healthy, you're more likely to smile with confidence. And actually, smiling helps bring blood to the face, blood to the muscles of your face, and it actually makes you look better, all right? But when issues arise, whether it's decay or injury or just the wear of time, it can take a toll, not just on your mouth, but on your mental health as well. Think about it. When you're embarrassed about your smile, it can lead to anxiety, low self-esteem, even social withdrawal. And actually, we need each other in order to have a great life, all right? You might avoid interactions or hide your smile in photos, which can create a vicious cycle of negative feelings. That's why preserving your natural teeth is so important. If your teeth can still be saved, treatments like fillings, crowns, root canals can keep them strong and functional. Not only do you retain your natural smile, but you also safeguard your mental health. For some, saving their natural teeth may not be possible. If you find yourself in that situation, don't lose hope. Dental implants are an excellent solution that can restore your smile and, more importantly, your confidence. Implants are designed to look and feel and function just like real teeth. Now, it's not the implant that people get, it's the actual teeth. The implants act like the roots of teeth that are not seen by anyone, but on top of them go teeth that are seen by everyone, felt by you, and they should look natural and white, just the way teeth should look, right? With implants, you can enjoy your favorite foods again and engage in social situations without worry, all right? It has long-lasting benefits. What's absolutely fantastic about dental implants is their longevity. With proper care, they can last a lifetime, reducing the stress and anxiety that come with dental issues down the line. Plus, they're made with state-of-the-art technology to ensure that they blend seamlessly in with your natural teeth, all right? So here's our connection to the mental health thing, okay? Let's get it together. When you have a healthy smile, it boosts your confidence. You can smile more. It improves your mental state. You can interact freely, enjoy life, and feel good about yourself. Now, I've been looking at this book called Reality Transurfing. Now, just kind of like the title, I have found that you can create your own reality. Absolutely. The reality that you want. In order to do that, a higher vibration is necessary for you in order to attract and align with the life that you want to lead. The book is amazing. It talks about this place called the alternative space, where all things, past, present, and future, come together and exists in infinite possibilities all the time together at the same time. All you need to do is attune to the one that you want. And that is where your smile can help you do that. Because if you're feeling confident, if you're feeling good about yourself, you can then start working on what you need to work on, which we're not going to get into now, in order to attune to the life that you actually want. Now here's a couple things. If you have a negative attitude, if you have shame, if you have a pain that exists because you are not confident, well then what's going to happen is you will attune to the parts of the alternative space, but what you'll pull out of that is negative life. And that negative life is going to be as real as a great life. But if you are not careful, you will get exactly the things that you don't want. And I've just been reading this book now. I've read it once, I'm going back into it, and I'm seeing how important my job is to serve the public so that they can get to where they're feeling great and confident about their smiles. And that leads to so many other things, because honestly, I just want you to have a great life. Have a great life. Have a great life, all right? So neglecting your oral health can lead to pain, discomfort, and a negative self-image. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here's the takeaway, guys. Prioritize your oral health by flossing and brushing twice a day, by eating the right food. I say that you should eat the way that your blood type is. I also say that if you don't believe me, test it. Certainly you have to know what your blood type is first. Drink your proper amount of water. Get proper rest on a daily basis. Exercise, which is going to include cardio and anaerobic or weightlifting exercises. You got to have detoxification moments in the form of going to the bathroom, not eating for a period of time, and sweating. And then here's where we are. Your mental health, your mental behavior can include things like gratitude, a great attitude, being kind for no reason at all, speaking kind words about other people and about yourself, sharing your love with people and your family, knowing that all of these things together, food, sleep, exercise, detoxification, and mindfulness behavior, not only improve your immune response and your overall immunity, but they also can bring you to the life that you may want to lead, which hopefully for you is a great life. Because don't we all want to take care of ourselves first and then take care of our families? Don't we all? I mean, I do. So these are the things that you can do for yourself in order for you to have a great life, in order for you to attune to the life that absolutely exists for you right now. Now, as you are attuning, things don't happen immediately. It's not immediately. You have to do things in the processes of the life that show that you are acting in a way of someone that is actually living that life. And then lo and behold, you've got it. You're actually living that life. Just keep that in mind, all right? So, if your teeth can be saved, let's save them. If they need to be replaced, dental implants are a reliable option that can restore not only your smile, but your self-esteem. Take pride in your smile, whether it's with natural teeth or restored with dental implants. If you've been avoiding the dentist out of fear or embarrassment, remember it's never too late to seek help. We here at Camp Creek Dental are here to support you, whether it's preserving what you already have or finding the best replacement solutions for you. Let's keep your smile strong, healthy, and beautiful, because your mental health deserves it. If you want to learn more about the best options for restoring your smile, watch this video right here.